Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Power down audio output or pause playback so you don't trigger touch controls while working. Hold the WF1000XM4 by the stem, not the housing, and pull the foam or silicone tip straight off with a slight twisting motion. This reduces tearing. Once removed, visually inspect the earbud nozzle and the tip interior for lint, earwax, or tears because clean contact ensures seal and sound quality. Next, pick the correct tip size. Start with the medium set included because a correct seal balances comfort and bass response. Align the tip's inner opening with the metal nozzle and push firmly until you feel it seat. Do not force at an angle. Once seated, insert the earbud into your ear and rotate gently to settle the tip so it forms an even seal. This prevents microphonics and improves ANC performance. Finally, put both earbuds in and run a sound and ambient noise check. Make sure noise canceling engages and bass sounds present. If an earbud feels loose or bass is weak, try a larger tip or different shape. Fit matters more than pressure. If sound is still muffled, remove the tip and gently clean the nozzle with a dry, soft brush, then reseat a fresh tip. If problems persist, test another tip set or contacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.